Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast bagels. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite bagels, a few eggs, some milk, and a dash of cinnamon. Next, carefully slice each bagel in half. This helps them soak up all that eggy goodness evenly. Finally, whisk together your egg mixture in a shallow dish, ready for dipping. Now it's time to get those bagels ready for the pan. Dip each bagel half into your prepared egg mixture, letting it soak for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side. While they're soaking, heat a non-stick pan or griddle to a steady medium temperature. Once hot, place the soaked bagels in the pan and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. After pan frying, transfer your golden brown bagel halves to a baking sheet. This next step ensures they are perfectly cooked through. Pop them into an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're done, serve them warm with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup or some fresh berries makes them absolutely irresistible. For the best results, try using day-old bagels. They tend to absorb the egg mixture more effectively, giving you a superior texture. Don't be afraid to get creative with your spices either. A pinch of nutmeg or a splash of vanilla extract can really elevate the flavor. These French toast bagels are a fantastic way to start your day or enjoy a delightful brunch. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.